Okay. Why am I nervous? Really, there's nobody in this room. Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I created this look using a bunch of new products that I picked up from the drugstore. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment below. I'm gonna use our Blush and Glow primer just to prime my face. And our products, you guys, I'm not using all Blush and Glow products today. I'm just using the primer. And I will probably use our concealer too. Now let's go ahead and correct. Again, it's a Blush and Glow product, but promise you, this is probably the last one. So orange corrector. Of course, I did not wet my beauty blender, so I'll be right back. There is damp. Ladies, do not forget to damp this. I say this all the time. So I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth in the shade number 330. I'm going to do the most and get some good coverage going. So we added some more in this area, just tapping it in, not blending or swiping at all. Concealer, I'm going to use our Blush and Glow medium concealer. Give it a good shake. Just going to go ahead and directly apply this like that. Very little, so little of this goes a long way. Actually, since I'm doing the most, let's go ahead and add a little bit more. And we are going to tap, tap, tap. Bring it to the side, down, and out to the temples. Okay, so good. This brush to really push that product in. So this is our Blush and Glow large blender brush. We designed it specifically for contouring, but I love using it for concealer as well. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna contour. Let's see, for contour, cream contour that is. Oh, okay, I'm gonna use this. I was gonna reach for my Blush and Glow foundation number 6 to contour, but nope, we're gonna use this MAC Matchmaster in the color 9.0. I believe this is really a concealer or a foundation, but we are going to use it for cream contouring. Okay, I'm going to use the same brush, but a different one that I use specifically for blending this out. This stuff is really pigmented. Okay, see the difference? And we're gonna set it up with powders too, so go ahead and just use this and really buff it out a little bit more. Skinnier brush, this is our medium blender brush. I'm just going to bring it up and down. God, those crickets are so loud. I think they're crickets. I'm sure my mic is picking that up. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Everything, I'm going to use Blush and Glow powder. Using that powder number 3. And then for the rest of the face, I think I'm just going to use this Laura Mercier loose translucent powder very lightly. I'm going to dust it. But first, let's set the under eyes. And before I set the under eyes, I'm gonna see if any lines, any concealer settled in any of the lines, which it did. So I'm gonna just smooth it out. Okay, and then I'm gonna use our powder brush, powder brush, with this number 3 powder, and I'm gonna stamp it underneath the eyes. I'm not swiping or anything like that. All I'm doing is just pressing it in. I usually don't mess with translucent powders, but summertime, my skin gets super oily, especially in the T-zones, like right here and like right here. So I took a very little amount of powder, and I'm just gonna lightly dust it on. Well, not dust it even, just press it in lightly. I don't bake. I'm not a baker. The only thing I bake is desserts. That was not funny. Now let's add some glow and some bronziness to the skin. So I'm gonna try this Milani baked bronzer, and like I said, it's a brand new package. I've never tried it before. Let's go ahead and open it up. And I think for this step, I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush. Ooh, there's a lot of fallout in this. I'm gonna get a bunch of this product. And I'm just gonna dust it on like I would I would be doing a contour. So yeah, I like this. It has a little golden glow to it, so that's really pretty. I am gonna contour a little bit because I do want to chisel my cheekbones just a little bit. And for that, I'm going to use our Blush and Glow contour kit with our large blender brush, which is this one that I used earlier. I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade. And I'm keeping a very light hand. Small swiveling motions going downwards. And basically you wanna stop kind of where the eye ends right here in this area. And when you stop here, it doesn't mean the harsh line's gonna stop here. It's gonna be darker, and it's gonna fade, 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 and it's gonna really fade like right there. For the jawline, I like to start behind the ear and work my way towards the chin. And you really wanna make sure all this is nicely blended. I'm gonna go in again with this darker shade right here. And I'm just gonna tap the color on each side, on the bottom. Remember, the closer your lines are together, the slimmer your nose is going to appear. So really try to get those lines really close together. Okay, and you can use your finger to blend the edges out a little bit. You can always go back in with some more powder and add that on top of it. Okay, now let's move on to the highlighter. So for the highlighter, I got this peach, molten peach. And let me go ahead and peel the sticker off. I'm gonna go ahead and get some product. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Love it. Highly recommend all of these if you don't have any highlighters. You don't want to spend too much money on highlighters because these are under 10 bucks. Just put some gloss on. I'm gonna put some above my lip on the Cupid's bow. Now on the tip. This NYX one. This one is good. I don't know if I've used this black color, but I know I've used the brown, like the deep brown. But for me, I need something dark because my hair is dark and I need to draw in hairs on my brows. So it has to be the same colors as my hair that's actually growing, you know what I'm saying? The box, here it is. And so this one side has a little spoolie, which is awesome. Great. So I have this whole chunk of hair that does not grow. And I am liking this. So as far as drugstore, the only like black or soft black color I could ever find is by Revlon Color Stay. Let's use this NARS. I'm gonna use this NARS concealer as the eye primer. So this is the palette. So pretty. Gonna use our Blush and Glow pointed blender brush, and I'm gonna go in the color Sweet Tea. Wow, that is very pigmented for our drugstore. I guess it's been so long that I've used a drugstore eyeshadow. I am impressed. Wow. That's really pretty. So this is the color Sweet Tea, and I'm just using it as a transition color. I'm gonna get the detail brush, and I'm going to dip in, I'm gonna try Old Fashioned, which is the brown color. Whoa, that's a lot of fallout though. I'm gonna just do it right here in the outer crease and apply it like a V motion. I'm having to dip several times because it's not as dark as it looks, but it's still really pretty. Okay. Now I want to dip into that pink color. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up the pointed blender, and I'm going to pick up this pink color, which is called Ice Pop. And I'm just gonna apply it right above, but a little bit below Sweet Tea. It's pretty. That's really pretty. Go ahead and apply that on the lid. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Yes. Look at that. That is really pigmented. Wow, I'm so impressed. This was definitely a good buy. I really like this color. And I'm putting 10 layers on. Okay, let's move to the next eye. Let's dip into Citrus. It's pretty. Oh wow, that's really pretty. Bring it on the bottom a little bit too. And in case you're wondering why I have a clump of makeup right there, it's not makeup, it's a beauty mark, guys. Had it my whole life. That's pretty. Put some of that up here. All right, now we're gonna go into eyeliner. Black gel liner, I'm gonna go ahead and tight line the top. Using our Blush and Glow Jet Black liquid liner. You can do liquid liner with your eyes open. It's going to be so much more easier for you guys. One eye is done. For blush, I'm going to use MAC's Mineralize blush in the color Gleeful. I'm going to use L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Put some glue on the lash. First one going in. I'm gonna try not to put it too close to my lash line. These are the Blush and Glow Mink lashes in the style Anaaya. These are really fluffy and wispy. Reusable 50+ times. Thank you so much. And once you've worn them a couple of times, look how easy it is to put on. I just placed it, and now I'm just going to babysit it to its location. So easy to put on. And they're so comfortable to wear. Just ask any of our brides. So what I'm going to use for my lips today is that new Milani lipstick that I bought. I don't know what it looks like on because I did not get to swatch it, of course, but it looks pretty. And then I have had this for a while. This is the Milani Amore Shine Liquid Lip Color. This is super duper pretty, and I love the applicator that it comes with. And my lip liner is going to be Blush and Glow's Blush Lip Liner. So let's go ahead and line the lips. Super bright pink lipstick. Yeah, it's bright. I guess for drugstore it's pretty good. I was expecting more. I guess I'm just used to more, can't talk. I guess I'm just used to lipsticks that are more pigmented, like more color payoff, like right away. Even though this is, I can just feel it that it's not going to last that long on my lips, I guess. I don't know. And then this is the Amore Lip Shine. Let me show you guys the applicator that it comes in. There you go, see? Super cool. I think I'm just going to put it on the center. It's what I usually do.